I tried Vega Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about the Vega Wallet app, I thought it was just another multi-chain crypto wallet. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that Vega isn't just a wallet, it's a next-gen payments ecosystem built for speed, flexibility, and real-world usability. On day 1, I downloaded the app, and setup was instant, no complicated recovery phrases or confusing menus. Vega Wallet focuses on both crypto and fiat integration, meaning you can manage Bitcoin and stablecoins right next to traditional currency accounts. By day 2, I noticed its built-in merchant tools. This wallet isn't just for storing crypto. Businesses can actually use it to accept digital payments. I tested sending a small Bitcoin transaction, and the transfer time was shockingly fast, settling in seconds. By day 4, I discovered Vega's point-of-sale feature. You can create payment requests, scan codes, and even split transactions between crypto and cash. Most wallets don't even come close to this level of real-world flexibility. Midweek, I played with its card feature, which links your wallet balance to a prepaid card that works just like any other debit card. Bending crypto instantly without waiting for conversions was an eye-opener. This is where Vega really stands out. By the end of my 7-day test, I realized Vega Wallet is focused on usability and real adoption. It's not trying to replace your exchange or trading app, it's making crypto payments practical, everyday, and accessible. The shocking truth? Vega Wallet is one of the few crypto apps that bridges digital assets and real-world commerce effectively. It's fast, intuitive, and future-ready. If you've ever wanted to use your crypto like regular money, Vega makes that dream a reality without the headaches most wallets still have.